Yo, what's up? Welcome to another video. Today I am going to review new Musk. Got this like a couple of months ago. I found it because I was trying to find this cologne that my aunt used to have, or perfume, whatever the hell it was. It had like this sweet musky smell to it, and for some reason I can't find it. It's by Prince Matabele. I can only find the notes for the women, but I went on another site, because the site that I normally go to, they didn't have the notes. But yeah, bro, so I'm testing this. Well, I've had it before I tested it, but me personally, I don't like it. So first spray, I get like a sour type of smell, like a sour smell to it. Sour and sweet. But I definitely smell the musk. The musk type of scent. My girl likes this. But she says it's okay, but on skin, like I said, has a, at least maybe it's just my chemistry, my skin chemistry, but it has a strong, like, sourish, musky smell. Unlike the other colognes, I don't smell that. I don't have that alcohol smell when you first spray it. But yeah, I mean, I've grown to like it, but me personally, it's not something that I would wear. But yeah, but maybe it's just the feminine women scent glands that like it. But me personally, I don't really like it. Like I said, it has a sour type of smell to it. But you definitely smell that musk to it. And it maybe a little hint of vanilla. But yeah. So, but as far as like a review, for me personally, like I said, everyone's scent preference is different. So, like I said, with all these colognes and stuff that I try, like I said, you have to go off your scent. But me personally, I don't like this scent. It's like I said, I don't like the sour type of smell that it has. Like I said, it could be just my chemistry. Yeah, I would give it 4.5 for me. 4.5 out of 10. It's just not my style, like the smell that I like. But for feminine women, they seem to like it. Not love it, but they like it. She said it's okay. Yeah, because I use my girl as a test dummy for a lot of colognes. So, and then, like I said, her scent glands are different from other people. But my homeboy, he likes it. Yeah, bro. But that's my review for new Musk. But like I said, try it out for yourself. I'm going to also start putting links where I buy this stuff from, personally. Because every site has different like pricing and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I'm going to start putting the links where I buy it. Some sites have different prices, so you can go off that. And they also have different like sizes for the bottles. But yeah, man. New Musk. If you tried it, what are your thoughts? Have you gotten compliments for it? And also, what are some cologne reviews you want me to do a review for? But yeah, I'm out. TR's out. But yeah, peace. Yay, yay.